As you guys loved my previous room transformation video so much, I have come up with another room tour video. But as I cannot be redecorating my room again and again, one of my good friend and a fellow student at IIM Ahmedabad, Rumi, has been gracious enough and allowed me to shoot her room for the sake of this video. So let's start off with the tour. She has kept the sofa on the entryway, and in order to enhance the look, she has placed this very beautiful cushion with the combination of white and damp green. And she has placed a similar cushion on the bed to allow for symmetry. This is one thing that we have in common, our love for string lights. In my room also I have used a lot of string light, but Rumi has gone a way ahead and she ordered this very beautiful curtain format string lights, and she has covered an entire wall with it. And this is how it looks in the dark. She has worked really well with the original color of the room, which is green, and that's why her entire color scheme is limited to green, deep blue, and white. White does a great job of brightening up a room which gets limited sunshine. And aside from that, fairy lights are there to enhance the existing structure of the room. I simply love the geometrical patterns on her bedsheet and how it complements the white comforter. Adjacent to her bed, there is a small nightstand where she can keep few essential products for easy access. These three inspiring posters in white frame not only goes with the color scheme of the entire room but also helps a lot in covering up a big giant wall which was plain otherwise. She added this very pretty blue and white rug which she got from Myntra in order to give some life to the floor and create additional setting at the same time. The geometric pattern is something which is consistent in designing the entire look of the room and is reflected in this rug as well, and the pattern is insanely beautiful. It adds another dimension to the entire look of the room. Let's move to the other corner of the room. She has kept this place very minimalistic. She has a very well structured study and pantry area. A very well organized pantry is followed by laundry storage area. She has covered major portion of her study area with white contact paper or chart paper, which allows for more light to come in into this otherwise dark area. And this is my favorite corner in the entire room. The combination of rose gold along with fairy lights just looks very soothing. And this is it. This is how the complete room looks like. It's a very great combination of white, blue, rose gold, and green. Now let's enjoy the night view of the entire room. Rumi has placed something glittering in each of the corner, and overall it provides for amazing symmetry and adds to the aesthetic of the entire room. If you can go back to my video and see how these rooms originally looked like, you will be in a much better position to appreciate what she has achieved with her room. The way she has decorated it is a reflection of who she is as a person. Her creativity flows in every corner and every design that she has set for this room. Being a creative person myself, I have always carried a deep respect for someone who can create something like this. I can only help you witness the visual appeal that this room has to offer. It's a shame that I cannot transfer the beautiful aroma that hits you whenever you enter this space. It's one thing to see this ambience, it's another to experience it. For us, it's that corner in our hostel where we can always go for amazing coffee and great conversation. Do subscribe to the channel because I'll be creating similar content, and I have linked few other videos which you might find interesting at the end of this video. Bye.